Real quick, one thing I did want to come out and talk about also too is the Powersports amplifier, the training.
The JVC one.
The JVC training, yes. How that amplifier was submerged underwater.
Yeah, and some guy accidentally forgot to take it out and left it in overnight, and then came back in the next day and was like, "Oh, I don't know about this." That was my coworker.
Oh.
Yeah,
Was it Marcus?
Definitely not me. Definitely not me.
And you know what, man? That thing still kicked ass. Kind of nice.
Yeah. Those amps, I mean, I try to throttle my excitement when I talk about those, because it sounds like such a silly thing to get so excited about, but I love those amps. I mean, they are tanks. And I mean, it's one of those things, like, you know how it is when you just like pick something up and you're like, this just feels good, right? Like, it just feels like it's quality.
Yep.
For me, they check that box 100%. And, you know, I've even made the joke on like trips where I don't check a bag, right? I'll just pack one of those amps in my bag as like a weapon if I need, because they're so dense and, you know, well built. But also, I mean, getting down to like the specs and like the actual output on those amps. I mean, have you seen the videos? I think we talked about it at the event we brought you guys down to, right?
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, for sure.
those are drastically underrated. You know, I mean, we advertise 50 watts by 4, but you know, they do a lot more than that.
You guys specifically talking about those amps.
It was in a fish tank, just sitting in a fish tank.
Like,
Filling
this thing
that
is
up in the
a fish
hotel
tank.
bathroom was fun. Yeah.